Hey everyone, today we're going to make a very simple and beautiful necklace using nail polish and the nail stamping technique. Nail stamping is very popular nowadays. It's super fun and versatile, as you can see. Remember that all of the products used in this video will be linked in the description box. For this project, you're going to need nail stamping polishes which are very thick and opaque. Mine are from the Bundle Monster brand. Nail stamping plates, they come with lots of fun designs and you can get them for a very good price online. A nail stamper, a scraper, acetone tape, and a metal stamping blank. Add a thin layer of nail polish to the stamping plate, scrape, and pick up the image with your stamper. If there's unwanted designs in the stamp, you can remove them with a piece of tape. Press the stamper firmly into the charm and voila! Clean your stamping plate with acetone to repeat the process. If a design is damaged while stamping, you can easily remove it with a piece of tape. I'm using a clear top coat to protect the nail polish from fading. You can also use some UV resin if you have available. Cure with an LED lamp for 60 seconds. While we wait, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tutorials. I'm applying a second layer of designs, repeating the same steps. Like and let me know in the comments what you would do with this technique. To add more life to the piece, I've added a wire wrapped briolet. If you are interested in learning how to wrap a briolet, let me know in the comments so I can make a video for you guys. I know this is not related to the video, but I've been enjoying this poetry book so much that I wanted to share it with you. It's called The Sun and Her Flowers by Ruby Kaur. As always, thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.